Part two. Installing your freshly planted WallyGro pocket to your wall. You're going to need the hardware it came with, the bracket, the screw, the anchor if you're going to use the anchor. A stud finder would be helpful to kind of figure out what's going on with your wall. I know this wall has no studs, so I'm going to be using the anchor, starting with a 1/4 inch drill bit. You'll get it in there. Anyone can do this, see? So, figure out where you're gonna want to go. I already have my hole marked. Perfect. Step 1, achieved. So you're gonna get the hardware piece, put the screw through, get your 1/8 inch drill bit out, and you can do this. So, pro tip, having a screwdriver on hand just to get the last few so it's really tight and not wobbly. The instructions say it's to not over torque it. And then it's just a matter of using 2 hands, getting it really even and securely placing it right down on the anchor. So easy. This is another one. So easy. Yeah, that's it. If you don't give your planter enough time right after you potted it, you might notice some drainage. I let it sit out and then I wiped it down with a reusable cloth from my collective. Okay, thanks guys.